How to convert images to PDF in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you want to convert images to PDF in Windows 11 PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first you need to select your images. So I'll just go to my File Explorer and I'll choose some images. For example, I'll be choosing the images which are right here. So once you choose the images, you just need to simply select it. I'll be choosing two images. Once you've chosen, you need to right click on it, go with Show More Options, and here you just need to simply go with Print. Once you go with Print, you will get this kind of interface. Now here you will have the printer. You can simply go with the drop down and choose the printer. I'll be choosing Microsoft to PDF, and go with the second page also. Now under the second page, make sure that you've selected Microsoft Print to PDF. Once you've selected, now here you will have Fit Picture to Frame. You need to uncheck it, and after that you can also go with Options, which is right here on the bottom right, and you can simply choose the printer properties or printer settings. You can go with landscape or the portrait mode, and once you've done with that, then go with OK. Once you've done, now you just need to simply go with Print. Once you click on Print, then it will get ready to print. You need to simply save the destination. You can simply give a file name and it will be saved as a PDF document. So that's how you can convert your images to a PDF document in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.